Hey guys, what's up? How's it going? I hope you're all doing great. For this time, I'm so happy to be here with you again. And right now, I'm inside of Home Center in Slimani, and I'm going to talk about some pieces of furniture inside of a house. Okay, you ready? Let's get started. This is a sofa or a couch. And this is an armchair in which you can put your arms on it. A coffee table. A coffee table. And this is a rug. Rug or carpet. Guys, this is a love seat. Throw pillows. This is called a corner sofa. It has plenty of room for more than 4 to 5 people. A dining table. This is a dining chair with a dining table. And these are chairs. Chair. And there's a cupboard. This is a bed. Pillows. Pillows. And this is a wardrobe. This is a blanket. Blanket. And this is a vanity table. Vanity table. Framed pictures in a bedroom. These are artificial flowers for decoration. A teepee tent for kids. Okay guys, this is all that we got for today, so I'll see you in the next video. See ya, bye.